Hi, I'm Reeves-Hall. You've probably seen my previous videos where I've done some unboxing. Well, what do you know? Today, another box arrived. And so, how about we do some unboxing of it? Now, I wasn't expecting this one because we've already had the Vodafone Hub and we've also had the Apple TV come. So I'm not quite sure what's in this one, but let's have a look. Open it up. Mystery, what could it be? Oh, this is nothing to do with the Vodafone Hub. Ooh. A message from our CEO, Nick Jeffrey. So keep connecting. Hi, says Nick Jeffrey. I want to say a huge thank you on behalf of the whole leadership team at Vodafone UK for everything you've done since the start of the coronavirus crisis and for being a Vodafone hero. The effort, dedication and commitment you've shown in keeping the UK connected has been fantastic during what I know has been a challenging time for all of us. Please enjoy the contents of this box and share with your household, really, to thank them for playing their part too. Okay. As a small token of my thanks and appreciation for a job very well done. Now let's keep connecting. Best wishes and thank you again, Nick Jeffrey, UK CEO. Thanks, Nick. Look at all these treats. Organic pot of basil. Some jelly beans. Heroes chocolates. Mint. Ooh. Some pencils by the looks of it. Sunflower seeds. And a nice big folder from Vodafone and some stuffing materials. Oh, a coloring book, that's what it is. Some crayons for doing some coloring together. Well, isn't that nice? Thank you, Nick. That was wonderful.